Go and click where it says Video Effects in your Collections window. And the descriptions here are pretty self-explanatory. Some of these are kind of neat. You can preview them by double-clicking on them, or just by dragging them to your clip itself. So I'll drag this one, then let's take a look. That definitely makes the footage look much grittier. Let's play it. Yeah, see, now you're halfway there to making this look like a snuff film. Anyway, if you decide you don't want the effect after all, just right-click on it, then click on Video Effects, select your current one, then click Remove. Then press OK. And now it's back to normal. Okay, so there's not a whole lot of effects, but some of these might be useful. Next, let's talk about transitions. You can probably guess where this is going. Just go and click on the title that says Video Transitions. Now, I said this in the Premiere tutorial, and I'll say it again. The majority of these transitions, in my opinion, are not very helpful. They're mainly flashy effects that don't have a lot of use in regular movies. These would be more for your made-for-TV movies from the 70s and 80s that air around 4 in the morning. So if you're going for that look, then maybe these are of use to you. Regardless, I'll show you how to use them. Just pick the one you want. We'll go with bow tie here. Then drag it in between where you have two clips on the timeline. It even has its own row. Now let's preview it. Yeah, see, you're really not going to see that kind of effect in a well-done movie. Now, if you're making a music video or elaborate credit sequence, ignore what I just said. You don't have the same kind of steadfast rules in those mediums, so you should feel much more free to experiment with that. Anyway, there is one video transition I do recommend for movies, and that's the fade. First, I'll select this transition, then press the delete key. Here, let's find it. And there it is. Now I'll do the same thing. Just drag this down between the clips. And let's preview this. And this will probably be as choppy as can be, but you can sort of see what's happening. It's just crossfading between the two clips. This effect does get used a lot in movies and is a good way of transitioning between different scenes. Alright, the last big thing I'm going to show you in Windows Movie Maker is titles. So if you want to add a title, a credit sequence, or just any text to your video, that's what we'll cover now.